this splintered grain. A hollow draft, a creak of age. Not empty, no, there's breath in you. All right then, we'll make a page where no one's written yet, not even from your spew. These jagged little outbursts, I will shape them round by round, till what was only clatter is a vow inside the sound. Little length of living lumber, hush, you're trembling, still your fear. In my chisel lives a careful thunder. I'll uncover why you're here. Every cut a promise, clean, respectful, sincere. Shape from silence something good. Who is tapping? Who is tapping? It is life locked in the wood. Let me out! My heels are itching. Let me shout! The world is wide. Don't you cage me in your wishing. I was born to run outside. We'll carve tomorrow into joints, a heartbeat made of grainy points. My son, be patient. Be calm. Knock, knock. Form the hands, the face, the heart, if he should earn a heart. Knock, knock. Care must guide the stars.
Fresh air, dear, fine door, sweet door, wide street, nice street, bright sun, warm sun, now, right now.